What's up, baby?
Oh my God, what in the
Back
world was
with a
that?
new video, and I'm so sorry that I haven't uploaded for a while, but
I'm playing
today
Bible.
we're back in Animal Company, and we're gonna go on a mining trip.
I got you. No, give it back. Give it back. Give it back. I swear.
Let's get on. Let's go on with the video.
Give me. Give me.
Oh shoot.
Oh, you can have it. You go. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Oh shoot. To this side. Got myself in my.
I just got looking for the map. My goodness.
Damn it, didn't get it. Who there's someone over there? We'll try to get over there.
In the night.
Oh shoot.
I'm at
Oh come on.
24/7.
I hear spider. 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 I hear spider. Damn it.
Can someone kill me?
Come on, please.
I'm ringing a bell.
No. There's no one up there.
Boom bap, boom bap, boom bap. Boom bap, boom bap, boom bap.
Come on. Let's need to get over there. Okay.
White skeleton, come.
Okay. Please kill it. Nope. Nope. Yes! Just need to get out of there. Just one more. One. No. Sure. Oh, sure. Oh, no, all the way down. All the way down. Let me go back again. No, this one. Just need to get right over there. Come on. What the fuck? I hear another spider. Okay, I hear the spider. Come on, please. Damn it! I can't even get more.
I'm gonna take a picture of your profile. And just ban.
I'm gonna get some gold as well. Ooh. Oh.
Hey, I hear you mining over here. Who's mining in here? Who's mining?
Someone just heard me mining, dude. Oh! Oh, jeez. Oh, Lord.
If you get around, watch him kill you, bro.
Can someone help me? I'm in mines near the spider. We're gonna get up there. I'm gonna get up there. Because I'm sorry, but I'll leave you. Please don't come back. Oh, Fuchs scared me. Oh shit.
Hands behind your back and let me put a handcuff you to the back.
Oh, come on. Yo, do it. Do it up there.
Alright, look, we're using a little kid.
Just kill it. Yes, let's go. Thank you. Oh, come on, please. Yes. What the hell? I think I'm down.
Come all the way to the barrier. Where Stump. The top of Stump.
Oh, Jesus Christ! Jesus Christ! Oh! 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 Kill it! Kill it! Kill it! Oh! Oh! Jesus Christ! Oh! Oh Lord! Oh! Oh! Damn it!
I need a grappler immediately.
Oh my gosh! I got killed. One more than another.
Put that right there, and then I need
Okay, I
some
brought
rockets.
nothing in here.
Alright, peace out, y'all.
Okay.
Everyone just got bombed without me.
You gonna die?
Oh, come on. I need to get my stuff quick.
Retreat! He fell! He fell! He fell!
What the hell?
I'm coming after y'all, and when I do, I'm gonna touch both
Don't
of
tell me
y'all.
the spider.
Help me!
Ah, frick.
He left his crap.
Come on. Please tell me.
Help me up!
Kill me. One way or another. Okay, sacrifice. A good sacrifice. At least I get my stuff back. I don't even know.
How did you get the scarf?
I need another
How did you
How did I
flashlight.
get that what?
The scarf you're wearing. Red scarf.
The scarf that I'm wearing?
Yeah, how did you get it?
The polar bear bundle. That's how I got it.
I kinda died, but it's okay.
Huh?
No, no, no.
Here's my shotgun and ammo.
Let's be. Oh, come on. Oh. What the?
That's where you use your...
Everyone's getting bombed.
What the hell? Who's doing that?
No, we died.
What of that?
Bro, whoever's doing that, stop, bro.
I'm not
Use my
gonna say.
flashlight. Come on.
Bye bye.
Bro,
No,
Come on.
throw up the thing. Alright. I'll try to call you.
No.
Is anyone got it?
No, it's my flashlight. Go.
Get my leech. I gotta get my leech. Oh, everyone just got bombed again. Who's bombing everyone? I'm gonna go kill them.
We hit him. Hit him. Shut up. You're never gonna find me. Listen here, buddy. I'm gonna explode y'all, and when I do, you're gonna feel it.
Hey, you.
Oh,
You.
yeah?
There.
Hey. Hello?
Hello?
Guys, the bars are coming.
Oh,
Oh, this is online. There we are, I think.
oh, Lord. Oh. I do have a weapon. Oh. Ooh.
Thanks for the free grappler.
This is gonna be difficult.
Because I am Steve.
Escape from the biscuit.
I
Um,
Chicken jockey, chicken jockey, chicken
That is
jockey,
so mean for doing that.
chicken jockey.
oh, come on.
Oh shoot!
I'm a fart.
Really? Can I sniff it?
No, not.
Yes.
Down.
What? You got me.
Come on, come down.
Who wanna play?
This is not okay. You went the wrong way.
Oh, my flashlight. Where's my flashlight? Yeah?
I got him. Nice.
Gotta do something good. Okay, going with the
Ow.
flashlight. At least I
Actually,
get my stuff back.
he's the best aim. He's the best. I'm Timothy. Oh, white boogie going, bro. My chat. Boom, bop.
And I forgot the way. Great.
Bomba chat. Versus.
An umbrella. Great. What am I gonna do with the umbrella? Frick, which way was it? Can't even break anything. Wait.
Let it rip.
Damn it. And I hear a spider. Okay. Great.
Yeah.
Using another grappler.
If you got,
Can I have a-
does anybody have a green thing?
Have
Yeah,
a
bro, do you have to
crossbow,
go
my
the
guy?
rock launcher, please and thank you. Do you?
Can I get an RPG ammo?
Do you have the rocket launcher?
Who has a crossbow, my guy?
Wait.
Did green disconnect? No!
Must
How do
see
you let
what
go of
I
green
can
rocket
get. I
launcher?
can buy it. Oh no. Oh come on.
Where did it go?
So who wants to trade RPG ammo? Why is
can,
the
I can.
spider here? Why is the spider?
We're at rocket launcher, big time.
Yo. Yo,
Now I buy it. Okay. Come on.
Look it up, I know where they are.
Come on. Wait. Thank you. Okay. Tablet. What am I gonna do with that? Could have brought in a grappler.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm not buying that. I don't even know they
I'll
used to
give
do
you
it.
my time. He has eyes on us.
Come
I'll give
on.
you.
What the heck? Where is this? What
He
is
has eyes
this?
on us.
Maybe a flashlight. Oh my gosh.
Go to the
It's
high.
something good. Yes.
Over here. Come back.
Nope. Can't even buy. Let me see what's up here.
So the owner told me that now I'm the owner of the game.
Sit down there. Oh, shoot. No. I don't want to
Watch him
even
again.
find out. Come on. What's this? Please be something good.
I'll get your RPG.
What the hell is... Oh my gosh, I'm not buying that. Yeah. It's not a blue.
shot. Full action.
Yeah. What the hell? No. Oh. Come on, what can I buy? Good.
Menu.
No, not the way down. Because
Dude, I've been fooled. You're not even up there. One more day. Wait a minute. Oh no.
oh, come on, not again.
I know where you are.
Come on. Someone's there.
Go get your guzzler. Get your.
Oh, finally made it.
Those boxes are not fucking in the game, you dumb purple rat. I tell you, Rebel. You bitch ass rat. Just exploded a tiny bit. At a second.
What is this?
The grenades.
I can't buy it. I don't know what it is. Yeah, I don't know.
It wasn't my fault. I didn't mean to cause mass murdering.
Let's see what's over there. I need something good. Oh, come on. Why is it?
I know where they are. Actually, no, I don't. Where are they? Hello?
Please make this jump.
You
No,
fall.
please. No.
I wasn't touch you inappropriately at 5 o'clock in the morning. You are wrong.
Shut the fuck up, immortal. Shut the
Come on,
fuck up, you
please.
moron.
Come
I'm
on.
talking, I'm
Come on.
purple with the
Can you-
skeleton thing. The purple guy with the skeleton thing. That more that bitch that idiot mortal
Come on.
that
Come on.
thinks he's
yes.
smart.
Finally.
Yeah, that
okay.
that dumbass moron, that purple guy with the skeleton, that's a bitch.
Please.
That's such a bitch moron. He's just a moron. I fucking hate him. He's like so bad at the game. I bet he's so bad at Gorilla Tag and Scababoon. I didn't have the golden hat and Scababoon.
Wow, where was I? I think I was right over here when I saw it. Up
I'm looking
there.
what you want.
I'm back
Yeah,
again.
I'm speechless.
Come on, let's go. I just need to see what is this.
Okay, now
What is
be
this?
speechless, you loser.
Over by no, I can buy.
Loser,
A goblin.
loser.
No, I haven't reached there yet.
Loser.
Come on, is there anything good I can buy?
No.
Gotta buy the little weapons thing. Diamond too expensive. No, not this.
I
Not this.
fucking hit your little Peter face. You look like a little Peter pig.
I can buy it. A. Yes. No. No. Drunk Express. Whoa! What is this place? What is this? I don't know what that is. Please, let's go. What are these? Yeah, I actually don't know what are those, but I'm lost right now. I'm actually lost. I've never
Your
been
back
here
is about to be a wreck. I bet I have the biggest item here. I bet you.
Yo, Black, you
Okay.
come on real quick. Wait, no, not a rocket launcher. I mean,
Oh, damn it. Make it. Oh. Come on, make it. No, please. Okay. Oh, no. Come on, gotta make it. Yes. I'm not dying. No. Come on, no. Come on. Are you serious? Oh, sure, I'm dead. Dude, that's dead. Oh, please. Oh, break it. Please. No. Oh, that was a boost. That was a good boost. Leave me.
No.
Come on. And I'm dead. Yeah, and I'm dead. And there goes my umbrella. So good thing I'm a rich guy.
I'm getting your ID.
Wait, I can do this? Bro, what the f? No, I'm not buying all of those. I'm just gonna go back. I'm back.
Yo, Red, you have grappling gun? I must fight for my country.
I'm actually gonna crash out.
For money I lost. Yeah, let's see how much is it.
Yo, bro, I'm good at climbing the wall. Can someone give me a grappler?
Good enough.
Can you give me a grappler
Oh,
gun?
sure. Is it dead?
Guys, do not shoot me. I
it
know
dead?
I'm Red Watch, but I'm a part
Oh
of
my gosh, this is me.
I killed Red Watches. I killed Red Watches.
That's good.
Come on. Oh, bro got bombed.
Bro, I'm
Bro,
the
I need my
spider.
stuff back, my guy.
I'm the spider.
Who has a grappler gun?
Nigga, right to yard, Julio.
Oh my
I'ma
God,
shoot
yo.
you like
Julio.
Julio.
Who has grappler?
Yeah,
Jeff,
you're
do you
bad.
have grappler?
Okay.
This is gonna be the end of this video.
and?
I'm gonna catch you guys in the,
And I have more.
in the next one.
And I have more.
Bye.
Okay, and dude, and okay, and
As in bye.
bro, this dude's stupid. I have more.
Go.
They're doing these things, don't